Veganuary, day 2. Today I'm making chocolate cookies to go with hanging out in my pajamas all day playing board games with my family. These are amazing. They are adapted to be vegan from a Bobette and Belle recipe from a neighborhood bakery I really love. First step, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 166 Celsius. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together 437 milliliters of all-purpose flour, or 1 cup and 3/4, 83 milliliters of cocoa powder, or 1/3, 3 milliliters of baking soda, or 3/4, and 3 milliliters of fleur de sel. In a bowl of a mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, cream 250 milliliters of unsalted vegan room temperature butter, 188 milliliters of loosely packed brown sugar, or 3/4 of a cup, and 83 milliliters of regular sugar, or 1/3. Mix together on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. With the mixture on low, slowly add the flour mixture to the butter until just combined. Add 250 milliliters of vegan dark chocolate chips, scraping down the sides of the bowl at least once. Roll the cookie dough into 2.5 centimeter balls so they are nice and even. Arrange 24 balls on each lined baking sheet, leaving space between them. Gently press the balls until they are approximately 1 centimeter thick. Bake for 11 minutes or until the cookies are firm to the touch. Remove the cookies from the oven and immediately sprinkle each cookie with a tiny pinch of fleur de sel. Allow the cookies to cool. They can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Who are we kidding? I'm gonna burn my mouth. And they'd probably all be gone by tomorrow. I know 2024 was a tough year and there is still a lot of stuff we are treading, but I just wanted to say that there's still hope. We can still do this. In 2024, I met so many people who are fighting so hard for our climate and biodiversity. Clean energy is soaring. Everyday people are winning climate lawsuits to protect the planet, and my favorite news of all, Norway stopped its deep sea mining plan. I'm honored to know you all, and I believe if we all work together, we can still do this. 2025 is our year. Let's try it. That's really good. That's amazing. That's so good. Thanks for watching. Remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Happy New Year.